guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do an updated video on how to dye your hair with Kool-Aid. So obviously the color of your hair is going to affect the way the Kool-Aid shows up on your hair. The blue and the red showed up really well on my hair. Today I'm going to try pink and I'm not sure exactly how it's going to turn out, but if you have kind of medium hair like me, I would suggest blue turned out really well. The red also looked very good. If you've got darker hair, I would suggest using blue because that showed up really well on mine, and I kind of feel like it would show up really good on darker hair. If you have lighter hair, then probably any color is going to show up. So let's get started. Before I start, I like to spray my hair with heat protectant. For this, I'm just using the Tresemme Heat Tamer. Then fill a mug with water and microwave it for about 2.5 minutes. Then add your Kool-Aid. I'm using 5 packets of the pink lemonade flavor. And stir it in. Then add an ice cube because you don't want it to be so hot that it scorches your hair. Wear a shirt that you don't mind getting stained, then put a towel underneath your mug and pick the part of your hair that you want to dye and put the rest back in a ponytail. I'm going to leave my hair in the Kool-Aid for about an hour. That's a pretty good time if you want the color to really sink in. After the hour is up, take your hair out of the Kool-Aid. If you want your Kool-Aid to stay a really long time, then pour some hydrogen peroxide in a bowl and swirl your hair around in it for about 5 seconds. Any more will bleach your hair. Perform your normal hair care routine and then blow dry your hair. This is how my hair turned out. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a like if it was helpful for you, and comment about the kinds of DIYs that you guys would like to see. Be sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I post one video every Sunday afternoon. I will see you guys next week. Bye!